We have to start exercise 7.1 12th class NCERT syllabus जो पार्ट 2 का सिलेबस है. ओके, वी हैव टू स्टार्ट इंटीग्रेशन टॉपिक. ओके, एक्सरसाइज 7.1 पार्ट 2 जो अभी जो एग्जाम होने वाला है उसमें ये यूजफुल टॉपिक है. दिस इज वेरी इजी. वी हैव टू स्टार्ट sin 2x. वी हैव cos 2x upon 2 plus c is constant. Second question, cos 3x dx. तो cos 3x तो इधर cos का sin 3x upon 3 plus c sin a minus cos. Okay, we have to explain that our question is first question is sin integration of sin 2x into dx. So simple minus cos 2x का formula and 2 is constant, so 2 be this is the rule. जो this is constant, so we have to write in divide form. So this 2 is common, division from 2 फिर plus a. Next question is cos 3x. So we have formula cos का sin 3x upon this is constant, this is upon 3 plus a. This is second question of next question. Third question. Third question e to the power 2x dx. This is the answer. E के पावर 2x same. तो e के पावर 2x upon 2 plus c. This is constant, so this comes on division form. Fourth is x plus power 2 into this is n plus this is the answer is x plus power 3 upon 3 into a plus c. We have to explain the answer. E के power 2x answer is e के power 2x upon 2 plus c. And next fourth question x square plus b का whole square. तो नॉट एक्स प्लस बी के पावर होल 2. तो एक्स प्लस बी के पावर 3 और ए इज कांस्टेंट, तो ए इज इन डिविजन फॉर्म. दिस इज द और प्लस सी कांस्टेंट इन एवरी क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू ऐड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 sin 2x. we have two terms minus 4 e के पावर 3x. We have to explain. First of all, we have to write in standard form. And sin 2x simple sin and minus cos 2x upon 2. फिर माइनस 4 is constant and e के पावर 3x सेम 3x upon 3 और प्लस c is constant. We have to explain sin 2x into dx. We have two terms. So simple sin 2x तो minus cos 2x upon 2. फिर minus 4 is constant and e to the power 3x formula is e के power 3x upon 3 plus c. और we have integration 4 e के पावर 3x plus 1 into dx. And we have 4 e के पावर 3x same. तो 3x upon 3 और dx plus x फिर प्लस c is constant. We have to explain Question is 4 e to the power 3x plus 1 into dx. Next 4 e के पावर 3x सेम टू सेम, 3 इज कांस्टेंट, तो डिवीजन फॉर्म और dx का x और कांस्टेंट वी हैव टू ऐड इन एवरी क्वेश्चन. दिस इज द बेसिक रूल. Seventh number question. Seventh number question is x square small bracket 1 minus 1 upon x square into dx. First of all, we have to multiply. So x square minus dx. X square minus this is multiply, this is cancel, we have dx, and this is very easy. X to the power 3 upon 3 minus x plus c. We have to check the and explain. We have to check and explain. X square is small bracket 1 minus 1 upon x square. We have to first term is x square division, this is dx. फिर we have to apply x to the power n. तो 2 plus 1 3 upon 3 और dx का x. So this is the complete answer and explanation. 8 number question. अरे समझ हो गया ना, तो 8 था ना, हमको बोल बोल. दिस इज x स्क्वायर प्लस bx plus c. This is question number 8. We have to answer. First of all, a x square into dx plus b dx plus c dx. Third term is dx. Okay. First of all, this is a x के पावर 2 plus 1, तो 3 upon 3 और b x के पावर 1, तो we have formula x square upon 2 और सेकेंड टर्म और थर्ड टर्म is c dx का cx और एक कांस्टेंट we have to add. We have to explain. Question number x square plus bx plus c. This is 8 number question. A fifth integration of x square into dx plus b. We have also x into dx, 3 term c dx. A x के पावर 3 upon 3, b x के पावर 2 upon 2 and c x. This is the or d is, and we have to add any constant. Okay, so we have to explain 8. 9. Ninth number question, 2x square dx plus x into, we have 2 terms and 2 integration, so we have also explained 2 x के power 2, so 2 plus 1 3 upon 3 plus e to the power x plus c. We have to explain 2 x square dx plus e के 2 is constant, x के power 2 means 2 plus 1 3 upon 3 and e के power x plus c. This is we have to explain. Next question is 10th. Then number question. Integration root x minus 1 upon power 2. Then we have to check root x minus 1 upon root x. First of all, we have to explain the formula a minus b का whole square. So this is root x का whole square minus 2 into root x into 1 upon root x plus 1 upon power. Right? This is in this form. We have this form. So root x के power second term is x dx. Okay, root x और root x cancel, so minus 2 dx. और here is 1 upon x. Third term is plus. Third term is 2 dx और third term is plus. और 1 upon root x, तो 1 upon x into dx. This is last. This is x square upon 2 minus 2x और this is 1 upon x log x. Plus we have to explain. First of all, this is a minus b का whole square, 3a square minus 2ab plus b square. First of all check root x का whole square, this is x dx and 2 and root x और root x cancel, तो minus 2 into dx और 1 upon x into dx. x का x square upon 2 minus 2x and plus log x plus we have complete expression.